What's up you guys, I hope you're doing really good today. In this video, I'll be going over everything you need to know about EOS. First, we will go over what is EOS, the key success factors for a DApp platform, the technical features, what is the concept of account and wallet in EOS, how is the cost to build a DApp on EOS determined, what are the EOS app use cases, how to buy it, and lastly, is EOS a good investment? But before we begin with the video, let's check EOS at CoinMarketCap, and this one is on the spot number 49 with the price of 3.37, meaning that there is a 2.75% increase from yesterday's price and a market cap of 3.28 billion. So the first question, what is EOS? EOS or EOS.io is a blockchain platform to develop industrial-scale decentralized applications. It has a robust underlying infrastructure to support this process. The primary aim of EOS is to provide a user-friendly and business-friendly tool for building DApps while overcoming the challenges of traditional blockchain platforms like Ethereum. Scalability is one of the most significant drawbacks of holding back blockchain technology from becoming mainstream. For example, the rate of transactions currently possible with Ethereum is extremely low. Furthermore, users have to pay the gas fees to use any of the DApps built on the platform. This is highly ineffective as users won't be willing to use a system requiring them to pay a transaction fee at every step. To make its applications free for users, EOS employs vertical and horizontal scaling. Furthermore, it provides a secure and scalable platform to run thousands of transactions every second. It is a fully functional and secure blockchain platform for delivering web services such as EOS, smart contracts, cloud storage, DApps, user authentication, and more. So what are the key success factors for a DApp platform? So several factors can make or break DApp among the mainstream audience. In general, the following list comprises the key success factors for any DApp, and the first one is support for a large user base. The DApp platform must be scalable for millions of users to use it seamlessly and simultaneously without facing any performance issues. It also needs to have the free usage. The DApp on any blockchain platform should be free for end users with the ability to upgrade with ease. Any transaction fee would discourage users from using the DApp again. We also have the low latency, and a DApp should run with the lowest possible latency to provide a good user experience. And then we have the parallel and sequential performance. A DApp on any blockchain platform should offer parallel processing to distribute the workload and save time. The DApp should also allow for multiple subsequential platforms and performances to avoid errors like double spending. So what are the technical features of EOS? The answer comprises of technical features offered by the EOS blockchain platform, which are listed as they go. First, we're going to have scalability in this one, or the number of transactions executed per second. It's a significant concern for most blockchain platforms because of the blockchain transactions require each node in the network to come to a consensus for anything to pass through. This negatively impacts the user experience. For example, Visa manages 1,667 transactions per second, while PayPal manages 193 transactions per second. In contrast, Bitcoin only works 3 to 4 transactions per second, while Ethereum is slightly better with 20 transactions per second. EOS claims the ability to support millions of transactions per second owing to their distributed proof-of-stake mechanism. Then we also have the flexibility. In 2016, a code vulnerability in Ethereum was exploited. It led to the ship bonding off of almost 1/3 of the funds held by the Decentralized Autonomous Organization, which is a venture capital fund initiated by Ethereum. This entire system came to a standstill, and Ethereum had to be hard forked, leading to two distinct blockchains with its own cryptocurrency, which were Ethereum Classic and Ethereum. Next up, we're going to have the permission schema, and EOS features a comprehensive permission system to create custom permission schemes for various business situations. It also needs to have upgradability, and all the dApps deployed on the EOS blockchain platform are upgradable. It means users can be authorized to deploy code fix, add change features, and change application logic. Also, less energy consumption, and EOS is a less energy intensive platform compared to others due to the DPoS. Also, governance. In the EOS, the governance is maintained by setting up jurisdiction and choice of law, coupled with mutually accepted rules. We also need the parallel processing, and EOS enables parallel processing of smart contracts through the horizontal scalability, asynchronous communication, and interoperability. And also the centralized operating system. Ethereum functions as a decentralized supercomputer. In contrast, EOS is a decentralized operating system that assists EOS in offering a vast array of business-friendly and user-friendly features. Now, what is the concept of accounts and wallets in EOS? In the EOS infrastructure, the EOS wallet can be considered a store of public-private key pairs required to sign actions performed on the blockchain. KeyOSD is the EOS program that stores private keys and manages EOS wallets. Wallets are accessed using Kleos, the EOS command line tool. EOS allows a different structure for accounts in comparison to other cryptocurrencies. An account in EOS is like an on-chain identifier that has access permissions associated with it. Now, how is the cost to build a dApp on EOS determined? The cost of developing a dApp on EOS invariably depends on three primary factors, which are resource types, resource usage, and resource allocation. For resource type, in case of dApps, accounts consume three types of resources, which is RAM, network, and CPUs. Then we have the resource usage, and for that we have the RAM, network bandwidth, CPU bandwidth. And then we're going to have the resource allocation, network CPU or staking, and the RAM. And what are the EOS dApp use cases? The blockchain community has adopted EOS positively. Numerous applications have already been built on the platform. For example, we have Ubuntu Energy Ledger, and this is a clean energy marketplace developed on the EOS blockchain. The application aims to provide cost-effective renewable energy to Africa and power 4 billion households by 2030. We have all EBT food stamps, and this is an EBT virtual card built on the EOS blockchain platform, aiming to help low-income communities solve problems around financial inclusion and access to healthy food. Then we have Dactroid, and this is codenamed Dactroid, EOS Detroit's marquee product. It's a decentralized autonomous community that enables communities with the tools to own and operate a complementary currency and high-speed internet access. Now let's do the question how to buy EOS. So first, I'm going to ask you to go on Kraken and create an account by providing your email address, choosing a username, and pick a strong and secure password. Then you're going to complete the verification process and deposit your cash or cryptocurrency. You can fund your EOS account in a number of ways. How you do so will depend on your location and preferences. And once your account is funded, you are ready to start buying EOS. At this point, you also gain access to their advanced charting tools, 24-hour global client support, and the ability to utilize spot trading on margin. So now, is EOS crypto a good investment? And I would say it is. Like most native currencies, the community uses EOS as the payment system for the project, and presently EOS ranks among the top digital assets due to the growing interest in decentralized applications. Similarly, a lot of people anticipate EOS long-term accomplishments, especially as an operating system. After a successful ICO competition that raised a hefty fund for the team, the token grows amidst controversies. The asset has a lot of potentials as it aims to stabilize the digital economy. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.